Day trading live this morning. I'm going to show you guys this beautiful setup. I'm going to talk about why I'm buying. I'm talking about why I'm selling. Talk about my overall thought process, making over $1,000 this morning, showing you guys the trades, showing you guys the action, and all that fun stuff right here in this video. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, so we're looking here at Bitcoin right now, looking to get a trade on this. I like how it's pulling back to this previous resistance area. I think it'll be a good area to buy the dip off of this 39,800 support. Previous resistance at that area. So we're going to jump in long at that point and look for a bounce back up here, up to the $40,000 area, and see if we can't get a quick pop here. It looks like we're going to get it right there. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher on this. I like to see 40,000 flat. $40,000 flat would be, I think, a good target up here on this at the $40,000 area right now. 30,912. We are currently in at 39,836. So looking for a push back up to that $40,000 area right here. I think we're going to get it. You can see a little overextended on the 15-minute chart in terms of selling off there, red. So expecting some type of little bounce here. And I liked how that previous resistance area was right at that point. So we're going to see, I think we're going to get it right here up to the 40,000s. Ding, 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 ding. There we go. Getting filled. 39,978, locking down that quick profit, baby. That's what I like to see right there, right now. You can see today Bitcoin making a move all the way up there to the $41,000 area. Look at this action on this thing. Since what? I think yesterday. What was today? The 15th? Today's the 14th. So yesterday, Bitcoin bouncing off a $35,000 area, squeezing, all because of Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin and the idea of Tesla starting to take Bitcoin payments once again. So really interesting to see how one man, one tweet can really move this market. So we had that push back up to the $40,000 area on that move there. The 30-minute chart now, you can see that previous resistance right here. This is what I was looking at, right? All right, that's where you can see we got stuck there multiple times. We broke through there. We ran up there to the $41,000 area. Push up to 41. We pulled back, and guess where we pulled back? To that previous resistance. So now the question is, do we pull back down here to this support area, or do we continue to bounce off of this area there? If it breaks below this area here, if it breaks below this previous resistance area, I like to get short. I think you can get a quick drop, $300, $400 drop right there. So we will just kind of sit back here and wait and watch to see what happens for now. But that was a pretty simple little buy the dip, sell the rip opportunity. And you might wonder, well, why did I think that $40,000 would be the kind of top on this move back up? And I'm just thinking that $40,000 area is $40,000, right? So it's that whole dollar. I've talked about this in other videos before. We've talked about it before. And yeah, with trading stocks, with trading cryptocurrency, that whole dollar area, that 40,000, 41,000, those areas always end up turning into some type of, I would say, like mental resistance or mental support areas, because people, remember, people are trading. You, me, we're people, right? I'm a person, you're a person, maybe you're not a person, maybe you're a computer program that's just watching my video. But in general, people are watching those, people are looking at those whole dollar areas as areas to either get in, to get out sometimes. When you're like buying a stock, you're like, oh, this stock it's right at $10. I don't want to buy it at $9.99. I want to buy it at $10.01, things like that. So it is interesting to see how those whole dollars end up turning into just natural support and resistance. And you can see the high on that candle was 40,003. 40,003 was the high on that candle. It literally hit $40,000 and three. Yeah, 40,003. I don't know how to say that. 40,003. $40,003. That was the high there on that candle. So really interesting to see how on point that call out was on that trade. So beautiful little move there on Bitcoin today, squeezing up there. And like I say with all these videos, this applies to stocks, crypto, forex, whatever you want it to apply to when it comes down to trading a candlestick chart. You know, watching this $40,000 area, if we can pop back above 40,000, we'll look to get long. I think it'll pop up back up in this area here. 40,200, 40,400 would be our targets for the bounce back off of that previous resistance turning into support here. I think she's going to go from here. So we're going to start just kind of nibbling off of this area here down to the 900 area, 39,900. Trying to buy the little bit more of a dip here. Thinking this is going to break back over 40,000 pretty quickly. Look for this move back up here above 40,000. You can break above the high on this candle being 980 in that $40,000 area. Look for a push to at least 40,100. So if you can push through here, beautiful. Looking above, I'd like to get above 40,000 right here, right now. Show some strength. Show some strength. I think a lisp there. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Trying to get over 40 here. Up to 40 now. Give it a little time. There we go. 40. 40, 30 there. Looking for some more action to push up here. 40, 65, 40, 130. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. That was fun. That had a high of 40,150. So 40,102. Well, 40,100, 40,200. Right on. Look at that. I'm done for the day. 2 calls, two beautiful plays, two beautiful profits. I'm taking my profit. I'm running away right there, my friends. Look at that. Up there to 40,140. How did I nail that so beautifully? I'm even impressed. I impress myself sometimes. So you can see, again, very clearly, guess what we got going on there, my friends? Look how beautifully this played out. I know people always like, charting, charts and all that mean nothing. It's all gambling. It's all just fugazi. But look how beautifully that bounced off of that previous resistance area there, that line. It bounced beautifully off there, squeezed all the way right back up there to 40,130 now. So that is how we do it. Making over $1,000 today and showing you guys exactly how we did it, the entries, the exits, and all that fun stuff right here in this video. So, I mean, if you haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below.